Hey, I'm Steve Okelberry. Back in 1996, I launched SprinklerWarehouse.com right out of my garage. And this is where it all started. I had my day job, but on nights and weekends, I was installing and repairing sprinkler systems. I was buying those parts at the big box stores like anybody else, but soon realized I needed better quality product. I needed to have this stuff last long enough that I didn't have to come back and do warranty work. So I found out you could buy these parts at a wholesale supply store. And that's what I started doing. But I soon realized, why can't everybody have access to these quality parts? Why can't I share this new thing I figured out with the world? So I started Sprinkler Warehouse. At first, we started by just having the parts delivered in the driveway. And when I got off work, I would stick them in the garage, put the kids to bed, and start packing in the kitchen and stacking in the living room. Problem was, UPS wouldn't pick up packages at your house back then. So we'd have to throw them in the truck, drive down I-10, find a UPS truck and wait for him to pull over, and then give him all our packages, because as long as they had a label, they didn't care where they came from. But soon we ran out of space. So what do? Moved the kids into bunk beds, took over one of their rooms. Thought it was a brilliant idea until my wife said, "Get this crap out of my house." So we moved from my house to our first office space, and then to a different office space. And then we realized we needed a real warehouse. And when I say a real warehouse, I'm only talking about 10 foot deep. Won't even fit a forklift, but it was enough for us at the time. But there was one caveat. The landlord wanted a 5-year lease. I didn't even know if the internet was gonna be here next year. So there's no way I'm gonna commit to a 5-year lease. So we worked on it, and I ended up signing our first 2-year lease, and we moved in. And after a year and a half, we realized we've outgrown this space. So what do? You talk to the landlord, sign a bigger lease, and knock the wall down between this unit and our next warehouse space, doubling our size from 3,500 square feet to 7,000 square feet. Wow. It wasn't long before we outgrew that space. We needed a place where we could start actually using forklifts, and a place where our growing customer service and web team could thrive. But more importantly, we also wanted a showroom where we can meet with our customers, look at what their needs are, and match that up with the products we had. It's also where we started our video team and created our very own video studio, dedicated to creating high-quality educational irrigation content. But then another opportunity came at just the right moment. In 2020, after 24 years in business, we teamed up with Heritage Landscape Supply Group, and that allowed us to open up our second location in Orlando, Florida. So we continued growing, so much so that we acquired space in 4 other buildings in the complex. But now we had forklifts running through the parking lot. Not a good thing. So it was time to look for another building, a bigger building. So here we are, a dream come true. From my garage to our newest location here in Katy with over 55,000 square feet, along with 36,000 square feet in Orlando, thousands of irrigation products, and doing over 1,500 orders a day. In 2024, we were acquired by none other than Home Depot, and they are giving us the support, the resources, and the products to assure we have everything you need for your yard. Just like we started in my garage, our commitment stays the same, to offer you the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. But more importantly, that you know how to go and install your system or replace your broken parts without having to become an expert. But no matter what your irrigation needs are in the future, we're always here for you.